Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about ending sounds, and specifically the ending sounds that ED make. So ED, when it's at the end of a word, can make three different sounds. It can sound like a D, it can sound like a T, or it can sound like ed. So we're going to talk about the different sounds that ED make. Macy's going to help me. She's my student today. So the first word I wrote up here is filled. You can hear at the end of the word filled the D sound that ED makes. This word is melted. You can actually hear the two letters, ed, at the end of melted. And the last word I wrote was walked. And you can hear at the end, the ED makes a T sound. So ED makes three different sounds, which makes it kind of tricky when you're reading and you're writing. You have to remember those three sounds, and you have to try those three sounds when you're reading. So we're going to go over a couple of words, and what I want you to do today is I want you to think of some words in your house, or just words that you can think of that end in ED. So I'm thinking about some things that I did yesterday, because usually when ED is at the end of a word, it means something that's already happened. So yesterday I planted some seeds. So if I say the word planted, what do I hear? What sound do I hear at the end? Planted. I hear the ED sound. So I'm going to write the word planted over here. I guess Macy's getting bored. Planted. Also, I baked a cake yesterday. Baked. I hear the T sound. So that ED is actually making a T sound at the end. So I'm going to put that word in this column. Baked. Also, if I think about what I did yesterday, the dogs, they played yesterday. Played. I just hear that D at the end. So that word would go right here in the middle. Play. And even though it's an ED ending, I only hear the D. Played. So I have a couple more words I want to do today. So let's say the word hopped. What sound do we hear at the end? We hear a T. Hopped. And the word climbed. If I climbed the ladder, I hear the D at the end. Climbed. And then if I watched on TV, I saw that actors they acted in the play, acted. You hear that ed at the end, acted. So let's see how many words you can come up with that end in ED. I'd like you to write them all onto slips of paper, and then you can sort them by these three columns. If it sounds like a T at the end, if the ED sounds like a D at the end, or if the ED sounds like an ED at the end. I'd love to see what you come up with and what word you come up with. Have a great day.